A federal judge is ordering the Trump administration to ensure migrants held at Guantanamo Bay are given a chance to raise any concerns about their safety before being deported to El Salvador or countries other than their places of origin. That Boston judge issuing that order after immigrant rights advocates argued the administration had violated a court order he issued by flying 4 Venezuelans held at the U.S. Naval Base in Cuba to El Salvador on a flight conducted by the U.S. Department of Defense.
We are joined now by Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes. Khalif, when we look at this and when you look at the Fifth Amendment, the right for due process, being in a different location, Guantanamo Bay specifically, does that change I guess the protection for non-legal citizens?
Absolutely not.
No.
And so say it with me: due process, due process, due process. That is what the judge is requiring that they do. And the judge I clerked for, Judge Leo Bowman in Michigan, said it best: don't play fast and cute with the rules. Like, if I give you an order, you understand my order, unless it's ambiguous, unless the order is like completely confusing and you have a reason to disregard it, then come back to court and explain to me why you disregard it or ask for clarification. But if my order is clear, if I drafted it, specifically if I helped him draft it, then I'm pretty sure it's going to be clear. And so he would be extremely frustrated, and that's what this judge is frustrated, because the Trump administration is clearly being cute and fast with the rules. They said in their response, oh, we didn't violate your order because your order only spoke to Homeland Security. And we didn't deport these guys using Homeland Security. We deported them using the Department of Defense. And because it's not Homeland Security, we didn't disregard your order. The judge is like, you know exactly what I was saying. You knew that I was telling you that before you could deport these folks, they needed due process. I don't care if it was Homeland Security, Department of Defense, anybody that's removing them from this country, you can't skip over due process because you're trying to expedite this process.
Well, so how do you rectify this situation by violating those judges' orders?
Well, first of all, in a normal situation, you'd have a hearing. You'd have a process, a show cause hearing, and the judge would bring you to the show cause hearing and say, hey, you, why'd you violate my order? And hopefully your response is, you know what, Your Honor, I couldn't read it, or I didn't understand. But if you're just like, I didn't care, good luck with that. Your orders don't mean anything. Like the Trump administration has said on the news, the borders are saying, I don't care how many orders are put out there, I'll do whatever I want. If you normally say that to a judge, the judge would say, all right, you're going to jail. Like, that's the normal response. None of this is normal. And I'm not trying to like over dramatize it, but it's true. Like, in court, if you violate a judge's order, it's pretty clear. You're going to jail. It's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You'll be held in contempt. They may fine you. But if you are blatantly disregarding it, like appearing like I don't care what you're saying, which is the tone that this administration is doing, typically a judge would say, all right, let me know what those 30 days look like. I'll come get you, and then we'll readdress this. But that's not what's happening here. And it's a really weird, unique situation. So are you going to take the head of the Homeland Security and put him in jail? Like, it's kind of the worst game of chicken that you want to have, because you are playing with people's lives here. And this is a problem that I don't think we have an answer to, because typically you would want both or all three parties, all three branches of government to listen to and respect the other branches. And the judicial branch right now is under attack.
All right. Again, our Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes breaking that down for us. Khalif, we appreciate it.